So for me, there are a few things that made the program better than maybe some previous experiences. I think the ability to course correct when that was necessary was great to see, because it didn't affect the quality of the delivery at all. It was great, and we need to do these things, we know that, so that was good, because it felt more tailored to us, more bespoke boutique, if you like, than just it's being taken off a shelf, you know. So I really liked that. But ultimately, what I really liked was the fun and the fun engagement, because, you know, we know people learn better when they're having fun, regardless of the topic. So, and yeah, the energy was super high, and I think everybody appreciated that.
Well, I really enjoyed the engaging beginnings, you know, with the icebreaker, but I think my favorite part was really when we were in the breakouts, building the ideas and all the great feedback from all the different medical associates who rotated through and continued to bring new ideas and strengthen the ideas that our initial groups came up with.
The panel discussion initially brought very good insights on how artificial intelligence is used all over the world, and we use it in our everyday life. And I think that also brought those two groups together.
So when we run a session like this, I think people suddenly think, oh, actually, there are practical things I can do under this umbrella of artificial intelligence that I didn't think were possible before. So now I've been, you know, inspired, reassured, because yeah, there's things I can do. So I expect the impact to be that people start to think a bit broader about those possibilities.